welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, demoing for you this built-in invisible kickstand MagSafe case from Andoble. That's right, this is under their Life Series cases, and Andoble makes some of the most amazing accessories for iPhones, and this is no exception. This is for the iPhone 14 Pro or Pro Max. And you can see that invisible kickstand right there. We're going to take a closer look at that in just a second. First, I just want to mention that you do get this little welcome card in the box, as well as this nice microfiber cloth, so you can make sure your phone is nice and clean before you put the case on there, as well as keeping your screen and your phone clean throughout as long as you have it. So that's cool, they include that. And then here's the star of the show. This is the case. And look at that. This is a fully MagSafe compatible case. You can see it's completely smooth. The back is completely smooth, but this MagSafe ring is also a stand. Put it down like that, and it's adjustable. So you can have it at any angle you want it at. It'll stay at that angle and hold the phone. Really cool. Now this is a crystal clear case with the built-in MagSafe ring/stand. This also comes in a translucent matte black case. So you can get this in the crystal clear or the translucent matte black case, either one. So let's give this case the crystal clear test. I'm going to hold this all the way up to the lens, and we're going to focus on my hand through there, and you can see it just as if nothing was there. Crystal clear, which means the beauty of your phone is going to shine through, and is very non-yellowing properties in this case, so that it will not turn yellow on you in 2 months like cheaper cases would. Andoble makes quality stuff. So great case. Let's get it on my phone so we can see how it fits, and we're going to get it on there and make sure it's all snapped in. There we go. And look at that. I mean, beauty of the phone, you can see that nice purple haze shining through, which is great. But of course, what makes this phone different than the other is you've got that cool ring that pulls down. Now you can stand the phone up. You can use it in vertical or horizontal, and you can use different angles. So you can see, so you could have this further back because it'll stop anywhere. So you've got different positions you can put it at and use it that way. When you fold it, boom, folds flat. Look at that. It's completely flat, completely smooth on the back, so in and out of your pocket without any issues. And then when you want the stand, you've got the stand. But when you're not using it, it's completely and fully MagSafe compatible. I've got this awesome MagSafe charger here, and so I'm going to put this on there, and you'll see as soon as I do that, it starts charging. So you can see that that does work through there. The charging is not affected by that ring at all. So works, and you can see it's holding, and you could even put this on there in horizontal mode, and you can see it holds, no issues at all. I've also got another MagSafe charger, so let's put it on there, and you can see holds without any problem at all. So if you're using this in your car with a car mount, you're not going to have any issues with the car mount, or basically any MagSafe product is going to work with this just like it would any other MagSafe case. But when you need a stand, you've got one built in. Great for if you're, you can use this by your bedside to see time. You can use it if you're on a plane. You can put this on the tray and watch a movie. I like using it at work because the iPhone 14 Pro Max, you don't need to charge it all day. So when I get to work, but I want my phone to be visible to me, I just put stand up, put it by work. I can see notifications and stuff, see the time. Really, really excellent. Let's look at some of the other great features of this case besides the obvious MagSafe ring stand and the crystal clear case. Again, remember, it does also come in translucent black matte, but you've got raised bezel around the camera to protect your camera lenses. You've got that raised lip all the way around the face of the phone, so your screen's going to be protected if you lay it down flat, which is great. Besides that, you've got all the cutouts you would expect for your speakers, for your lightning port, all there. Over here on the side, for your do not disturb. Very easy to turn that off and on. Nice click with the volume control buttons. Very nice click, easy to fill those. And also over here on the power button, nice cover, but really nice click, easy to fill that. So you've got that. In addition, you've got extra protection in the corners. So the corners are slightly thicker than the rest of it, just slightly, but there's an air pocket in there, and that protects against drop. So if you were to drop this and it were to hit in the corner, you've got a little bit of extra protection in the corners there to protect you. which is great since that's the most dangerous place for your phone to hit. So everything you would want in a case is in this case. Everything you would want in a MagSafe case is in this case. And then you've got this awesome, amazingly cool kickstand built in, completely flush with the phone, able to use the phone in any MagSafe way that you'd want to use your iPhone, but pull that down and you've got a stand, a built-in stand. So really, really excellent, cool product by Indobo. Like every product they make, this is a really great product. If you're looking for a MagSafe case for your phone, either crystal clear or translucent black case, then this is the case to get. You're going to get all the advantages you would get from any other MagSafe case, but you're also going to get that built-in kickstand. So you just get extra functionality, and there's no reason not to have that. I mean, it really does add just another level to the MagSafe case. So if you were looking for a MagSafe case, this is definitely one that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.